Top 5 Best Sliding Miter Saws. Number 5. Milwaukee 695520. Designed to make setting precise bevel and miter levels easy, this Milwaukee tool lives up to its brand with an angle fine adjust and detent override, which is a digital display that shows you the correct angle down to 1/10 of a degree. This feature eases the work for accurate repeat cuts, even with odd angles. The angle fine adjust has a self-zeroing system that works on the entire angle range. There are dual integral job site lights that fully light up the workpiece and cut line, and the 15-amp motor provides high-performance power. Why we like it? Safer, dual integral lights. Soft start motor. Constant power technology. Electric brake. Our verdict. Milwaukee has always been a trusted brand with professional contractors, and this saw maintains that reputation with some amazing features and ease of use. As with many other miter saws, this one has a 15-amp motor, but what sets it apart is how it maintains a constant cutting speed under load, and it doesn't bog down, providing the best clean, consistent cut. There are so many features we don't have the room to list, but try it out yourself, you won't be disappointed. Coming in number 4. Dewalt DWS709. Dewalt does it again with a powerful 15-amp motor that delivers the best in durability and power to your cutting project. The tall fences will support crown molding up to 5½ inches nested and base molding up to 4½ inches vertically, and easily slides out of the way for bevel cuts. There is a stainless steel detent plate that adjusts to 13 positive stops to improve the cutting accuracy and performance. The miter system and base fence support provides the best durable precision in cutting. Includes a carbide blade. Why we like it? Powerful 15-amp motor. 13 positive stops. Oversized bevel scale. Compact design. Our verdict. This saw has proven to be a real workhorse when it comes to precision and durability. Built well and packed with plenty of power to get the job done, it provides fast and accurate cuts. Dewalt engineers have thought of the finer features that make this miter saw one of the best on the market, including an oversized easy-to-read bevel scale, and providing protective pads on the stainless steel plates to lessen wear. Coming in number 3. Bosch GCM12SD. This 12-inch dual bevel glide miter tool features a powerful 15-amp motor that delivers a smooth, accurate cutting performance with a space-saving design, exclusive to the Bosch axial glide system. The square lock fences are pre-aligned to maintain a lifelong accurate cutting. This tool sports a soft grip handle along with a combination dust chute and vacuum adapter for best user comfort and a clean operation. The no-load speed of this durable saw delivers quick cuts in many different materials, and this tool is compatible with a variety of 12-inch blades with a clear lower guard to provide the best in clear, cut line visibility. Why we like it? Durable precision. Compact workspace. Powerful motor. Up-front controls. Our verdict. The Bosch GCM12SD is sure to impress not only with its clean, precise cuts, but with the powerful motor and the quickness of cutting through material like a breeze. The controls are intuitive to use, and having them up front makes them so much more convenient. The built-in extensions are great to have, along with the dust control that keeps the work area relatively clean. Coming in number 2. Hitachi C10FCG. If you need the best in smooth, precision cuts and crosscuts with a variety of materials including wood, panels, soft fiberboard, hardboard, plywood, and aluminum sashes, look no further, this tool does it all. Powerful and reliable, this saw includes positive angle stops to let you select preset points at specific angles and has a 45-degree bevel for more precise cuts. This tool also includes a dust collector to help keep the interior components clean, and a nice, comfortable elastomer grip that is made to reduce vibration and help maintain control at all times. Hitachi stands behind this miter saw with a 5-year professional warranty. Why we like it? 15-amp motor. Flexible angle range. Vibration reducing grip. Large supporting table. Our verdict. We like the fact that this tool isn't too complicated. It provides the best amount of what you need and want in a chop saw. Ready to go out of the box, it is a solid, powerful, and versatile tool that performs well on several materials with sturdy support. The included blade makes clean, sharp cuts, and isn't too heavy. The soft grip makes it easy to carry around. Coming in number 1. Dewalt DWS780. Featuring precise cutting without recalibration, this DWS780 model offers solid construction and has the new XPS cross-cut alignment system with an improved ultra-bright LED light, which allows the user to see precisely where the blade will come in contact with the material by casting a laser-like shadow. This powerful, 15-amp, 3800 RPM tool features durable guards, precision machined castings, fences, a bevel system, and rugged stainless steel detent plates that are designed to hold up to the rigorous demands of the job site. The dual bevel system sports a high visibility scale and easy angle adjustment, beveling from 0 to 49 degrees with positive stops at 0, 22.5, 33.9, 45, and 49 degrees in both right and left directions, with a detent override. Why we like it? Precise miter system. XPS LED alignment system. Convenient cord. Smooth, accurate cuts.